Yo, Buzzy Games Beth here. Today, let's learn how to make a coin collecting system for your game. In this video, we'll be able to collect throughout your entire base plate. So this is my coin model that I'll be using. But before we actually do anything, let's go ahead and script our leader stats first, if you don't have that yet. So let's go ahead and locate server script service, and then let's go ahead and add a script. Okay, so inside of the script, we'll be creating a new instance, which is a leader stats folder. And inside of this leader stats folder, we have a number value instance. And the name of this value is going to be coins. If you want the name to be like money, cash, whatever it is, just make sure to go ahead and write that inside of the quotation marks. Now for our value, go ahead and set it equal to 0, and then our parent equal to leader stats. And we have our leader stats / leaderboard finished. Sweet. So next thing we want to do is actually go ahead and grab your coin model or cash model and drag it inside of server storage. Let's go ahead and add a script inside of our coin. Okay, so we have a few variables for our players, our coin itself, as well as a debounce. We're going to write a function where part is our parameter. Now, if a player touches this part and our debounce is equal to true, then it's going to return. Now, if collected is equal to true, it's going to make sure that if a player is touching this part, then the leader stats value, which is coins in this case, is going to be, the value is going to add 1. And then once a player collects coin, then it's going to go ahead and destroy that coin. And then we're going to go ahead and call our function. Okay, so inside of our workspace, let's go ahead and add a script. Okay, so we have a variable for our coin inside of server storage. We're going to create a while true do loop. And basically, this just clones our coin part. It's going to randomly clone the coin in a random position. Now we want to set the XYZ coordinates. So we want to do math.random for the X and Z coordinates. We're going to keep Y the same, which is 2, but I'm going to go ahead and show you how you can find the range for the X and the Z coordinates. Okay, so if you actually hop back inside of our workspace, go ahead and spawn in any part. And this is just going to be like how we can find the range of the X and the Z coordinates. So if you guys look on the position of our part of where it's at right now, the X axis is at -20, right? So let's go ahead and write -20 here, comma. And now we want the other range of the X axis, right? So let's go ahead and drag it up to the top right, and it says 123. Cool. So that's going to be our range for the X coordinate. For our Y, we're just going to go ahead and keep it at 2, just because we want to make sure players are able to actually collect the coins, so it's not floating too high up in the air or low in the air. For our Z coordinates, we're going to do math.random, and of course, we're going to do the same thing as we did with the part. Right now, it's at -275, so I'm going to write -275, comma, and then let's go ahead and drag our part back to the other corner. And then it's about, -43. So we're going to go ahead and write -43. So it actually really doesn't matter which side of the corners you guys get the range from. You know, top, bottom, left side, right side. It'll be the same. And then we're going to go ahead and do a wait. We're going to do random, either 1 to 5 seconds for the coins to randomly respawn. So it'll randomly respawn within 1 to 5 seconds. Okay, so let's go ahead and test out our script. Oh my goodness, I forgot to anchor my coins that I placed inside of server storage. So make sure to anchor your coins or anchor your part, and then untick can collide. Now it should work. So let's go ahead and hop inside of our game, and then we should start seeing coins spawning inside of our base part. Cool. Yeah, it works. Sweet. If you guys enjoyed this content, please give a like and a subscribe. Full scripts and models will be posted on our website, link in the description. As always, have fun creating, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace.